In this video, I'll show you how to check the friend requests you've sent on Facebook. Sometimes you send a friend request and later want to see whether the person accepted it or if the request is still pending. Facebook keeps a list of all the requests you've sent, and you can easily find them in just a few steps. First, open the Facebook app and tap on the three horizontal lines in the top corner. After that, tap on Friends to open the Friend Requests section. Here you'll see the requests that other people have sent to you. Next, tap on See All to open the full friend requests page. Then tap on the three dots in the top corner. A small menu will appear on your screen. From there, select View Sent Requests. Once you tap on it, Facebook will show you a list of all the friend requests you've sent that are still pending. From this list, you can also cancel a request if you no longer want to connect with that person. And that's it. That's how you can check the friend requests you've sent on Facebook. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tech tutorials.